Okay, hello guys. My name is Sunday from Construction Technology. Welcome back to our video on construction skill. Okay, masonry skills, right? Okay, in this video we are going to watch how we can produce this a simple 3D rendering surface. Okay, 3D finishes. Okay, so how you can be able to produce it using just cement and sand. Okay, doesn't require any machines, doesn't require anything, just your knowledge of technical drawing and masonry skills. Okay, so thank you, and please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, because we will be producing more videos on these skills, and so that you get notifications anytime we drop another video. Thank you very much for watching, and have fun, guys. Okay, so as you can see from our previous video, is just a mixture of cement and sand. Okay, so you just use your normal plastering skills you have to actually cover the surface with a smooth mixture of cement and sand. Okay, make sure that the mixture is as smooth as possible, because we need a smooth surface for us to be able to achieve this. Okay, okay, I can actually fast track this plastering, okay, so that it will not take much of our time, and then we'll go straight to the smoothness and then to the skills. Okay, so as you can see, after your plastering, you now have this particular mixture again. Okay, this one will contain a high number of cement. Okay, so that you can kind of scrape the surface to achieve a high level of smooth surface. Okay, as we say from the beginning. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so that you can have a solid surface, and then before you can smooth it. So as you can see, okay, this is the process of smoothing your plastered surface. If you have not learned how to do surface plastering, you can actually contact us. Leave a comment in our comment section, and possibly contact us in any of our social media page, Construction Technology, and we can produce a video or guide you on how you can be able to achieve that. And also, it also requires some level of technical drawing skills. Okay, and try as much as you could to avoid wastage from mortar. Okay, that will help you if your site is clean. Okay, where you are doing your plastering, try to make sure that the ground is clean, so that you will not waste any of those mortar that is falling down. You can still pack them and reuse. Okay, so try to make sure that the place is clean. Even though it's not as solid as this, you can also make the place clean, so that you can be able to get your mortars. Okay, you can see the place is clean now, because we have packed the mortar and possibly reuse it. Okay, all right. Okay, so you see how we smooth the surface. Okay, all right. Now this is the where you can actually apply your simple technical drawing skills by using standard measurements and get a rectangle. Okay, so depend on the surface and then how large you want your shape to be. Okay, so you can use any size or the dimension you want to use. Okay, then make sure it is rectangle. and then make sure it fall according to your style that you want to achieve. Okay, so we just need to create a little handle to the carton so that you can be able to use it and pull it during your cutting when you are maybe drawing on the wall surface. Okay, so you can see now. Okay, you can see. Okay, that's a simple way of achieving this. You have two shapes there so that the other one can serve as your guide in achieving it. Now the space you leave between the two cartons, okay, as you can see, you do not match the carton together. Take note of that. You do not match the two cartons together, so you leave a space behind. Now that space will be the one that you create a little hole to bring out the shape. Okay, so you can see now, if you look at the shape of that carton and then the other carton, you see that there's a gap. Okay, you can actually have maybe in little dimensions, maybe like 1 inch or something, depending on the size of the carton you are using. Okay, so that you can be able to create that hole so that the shape can come out. Okay, so you can see it. You can see that now. Please, if there's any confusion, please, you can let us know by contacting us, leaving a comment on our comment section, and possibly contact us through our social media page or our site www.caststructure.tech, or any of our social media page at Caststructure Technology. Okay, so you can see now, you can see what we are discussing. So now you trace those lines that you draw. Let's say in technical drawing, actually called the first thing that we did construction lines, right? So you use your construction line to actually draw the shape, and then later on you carry your thick pens, right, or your thick ink that you want to use to actually mark out if you are drawing in a paper. Okay, so another thing again is that if you know that your hand is not straight, let's say you are the kind of person that your hand is not straight, your hand is shaking when you're doing something like this, then you can actually use a particular ruler or a particular wool that you know that is perfectly straight, so that you just put it at the edge and then you now draw it. Okay, you now use your hand trowel to actually draw it, or even without the trowel you can get another sharp object. Okay, so depending on the level of your skills in handling the trowel, that will make you to be able to do this. Okay, but if you cannot do that, you can use a knife or another sharp object that can be able to bring out the shape. And then another thing that you actually need to put into consideration is the fact that your surface has to be at least strong to some certain level so that it will not be falling. Okay, if not, if you try to draw the line or follow the line deep, you might discover that it will fall. Okay, the edge will not be strong again. Okay, so you need to put that also into consideration. Okay, so as you can see, you actually arrange the construction line to the end, so it's left for us now to actually bring out the shape out. Okay, so as you can see, okay. Hope you're actually enjoying this and you understand every step of this. If there's anywhere you miss out, you can still watch the video, or you can contact us for more inquiries on how to perfectly achieve this. The essence of this video is actually for us to produce, bring available some of these interesting videos, okay, interesting techniques on how we can actually achieve an aesthetic surface in building process using simple techniques. Okay, you use just cement and sand. You don't need to go and get any form of laser machine to actually cut this for you. You use your, your skills you have to actually achieve it, and it will look fine. So now this is cleaning. Okay, this is cleaning and surface dressing. Okay, so that you can get your edge perfect. All right. Now this is why I was talking about the issue of your plastering should be at least strong, or to just dry to some certain level so that you can be able to achieve this. Let's say let it just set small for some minutes. Okay, so that you can be able to get a strong edge. Understand? If not, the edge will not be perfect. Okay, perfectly straight. Okay, right. So you can see. Okay, you see the finished product, and you definitely like it. And then as you know, if you can also spray it, maybe use a different color paint and then use a sprayer to actually spray this. Okay, so you can see the finished work now. So you look at it. So if you are not okay with the color, you can spray it or possibly paint it, you understand, to actually achieve this aesthetic view that you want to get in your construction. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching this video with us today. Please subscribe to our channel so that you get more videos anytime we drop another video. Thank you very much for watching.